Alright, let's take a look at the outdoor garden. This is using the Mr. Landscaper. Now, as you can see, that's the feed line. It's hooked up to an automatic battery-powered servo that turns the power on. I didn't want to do anything permanent, so I just have a hose that runs down the yard into the system. So there's the feed line. So it's it's a half-inch feed line, and then here you can see there's a couple of ways you can connect these in. This is just a direct coupler, and then this is the limiting coupler that I use to kind of reduce the flow. If I don't have a flow head on the sprinkler, like in this case, this is a reducing head that I can control, so that controls the flow, so I can have full pressure coming right out of the feed line. In some of the other cases, I just use the regular coupler. So here's one with a flow head. Some of these plants are just a regular coupling. This one here uses the flow reducer, and you can see it's just a straight length of pipe that goes into the pot, and it's great because it just waters it. Here I have a flow head. So let's basically the concept of this is I took the feed line, ran it all the way across around the outside perimeter of the garden, tie wrapped it to the fencing, and then wherever I had a pot, I just popped the hole, put in my sprinkler line, brought it right to the plant. So I'm going to turn it on, and then I'll show you how each plant gets its water.